In this system, cell regeneration process will take place in the dysfunctional organs and organ will get rejuvenated and acts normally. In the current medical science, up to arteries level, the artery size is 15 mm to 25 mm. There is some system to ensure blood circulations through stent or bypass or grafting. Whereas down the line, to ensure blood circulation at the cellular level, and why the present medical science, whatever it may be there, whether homeopathy or allopathy, whatever it is so, once the organ get dysfunctional, it cannot be rejuvenated. Whereas in my science, even in pancreatitis, wherein the person is almost in dying stage, even in such cases also, 15 days to 1 month, the parameters of lipase and amylase will get normalized. So that is the way the cell regeneration process takes place in the dysfunctional organs.